Don't forget to click on the subscribe
button and the notification button. Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, of course you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. In this video today, we're going to be making pineapple rice, and these are my ingredients that we're going to be using. So let's get right into it. As you can see here in the video, I've already cut my pineapple into two halves, so I'm going to be sculpting the inside of one of the half and just extracting the pineapple, which we're going to be blending later. And guys, you need to be careful when you're doing this because you could accidentally make holes by the side of the pineapple, and we don't want that because we're going to be using this to serve our pineapple rice when it's ready. Yes guys, that's what we're going to be using as our dish to serving the pineapple rice. And guys, you can see how neatly I did it and how beautiful it came out, so you need to be careful when you're doing this. Next thing I'm going to do is, of course, blend the pineapple to get the juice out of it. And guys, you need to blend it very well so that you don't have so much shaft. Yes, of course, you have to sieve it to get the juice out. And guys, as you can see, there's not so much shaft. It's like everything is just blended all perfectly. Next thing I'm going to do is put my pot, of course, that we're going to be using to make our pineapple rice, and then my oil, which we're going to be using to stir fry all of the veggies that I'm going to be using for the pineapple rice. Next thing I'm going to do is pour in my cabbage. Guys, I love to use a lot of cabbage. Cabbage is just big, and it's just easier when you grate it. It comes out all even and beautiful like it is right now. Next I'm going to add is my grated carrot and grated cucumber. Then I'm going to stir them together. Add my spring onions and green peas poured, and then I'll stir that together as well, so just spread out evenly. I also diced my carrot, and then I'm adding Scotch bonnet rather, which I diced, which is also known as rodo here in Nigeria. I'm adding my shredded chicken, so everything just mixes out and come out nicely. Guys, look at how beautiful this is looking. I can already eat this already. Like, it's looking so pretty. So you need to stir so that they all spread evenly. Next thing I'm going to be adding is my spices that I've already mixed. I like to mix them together, and it's just nothing much. It's just a regular spice, nut cubes, curry, thyme, and I use ginger powder. I used only 2 cubes from the nut cubes. So you have to stir it well so that the spices don't go hiding in corners. Now this is my best spice, like, for now, and it's the Mr. Chef goat meat spice. It just makes a huge difference to your dishes. And yes guys, this Mivina chicken spice is also big, as in these spices are super affordable. They are 50 naira each. So guys, if you try this, it's just going to make your food bam. The next I'm going to add in is my chicken broth. That's the water from the chicken that I boiled. So you're just going to stir and stir. I like to stir so that all of the spices can spread out evenly. Very important. And the last ingredient, not last, is the pineapple water, and then you mix it where the sweetness gets to meet the spicy. As in, at this point I was afraid that, oh, would it be just tasting sweet, sugar, but it came out nicely and they all met each other. They were friendly. Next I'm going to be adding is my parboiled rice, and you want to mix that very well so that all of the ingredients get in. I just did small because, like I said guys, I'm just trying this for the first time. Let me know if you're going to be trying this or at home. Let me know in the comment section. And this came out beautifully well, guys. You can see I like to stir. It's called stir fry, so you stir the life out of the dish. As you notice guys, I've not added salt since the beginning of this. I like to add my salt after I have tasted the food to know. As you can see, I use a lot of spices, so I'm really afraid of salt. I can just put a pinch of salt when I'm cooking guys. So yes, little salt after all of those spices. Of course, let me know if you're going to be trying this. This is how it came out. Please ignore the chicken. I tried to coat it with oats. I don't know what I was thinking. It didn't come out well, but yeah, that's just it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment, guys. Comment, let me know what you think about this dish. Trust me, it came out nice. I had other people taste it. It's not just me saying this, and it's beautiful. Serve this to your visitors at parties. It comes out so beautiful. I love you guys. Thanks for the support. Like, share, and comment. Very important. Let me know if you want to see more recipe videos.